Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome friends. This is a Samsung 32-inch LED TV speaker system. Here actually the complaint from the speakers are crackling sound coming. While checking the speakers here you can see that speaker foil papers are damaged, so this is the reason behind these crackling sound. Here we are going to replace the entire speakers with new one. See, these are the new speakers. We separate the old speakers by removing the 4 screws from them. Finally, here we removed all screws and the faulty speakers are separated. Now we can replace it with new speakers. Finally, now the work is done. Here you can see now the new speakers are fixed. Now there will be no crackling sound. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.